Let's shift our focus now. The United States has officially issued a public notice imposing additional 25% tariffs on imports from India, with the new duty set to take effect on the 27th of August. This comes as Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi issued a sharp message to Washington saying that India will withstand the pressure. As per the official public notice, the duties will take effect from midnight on the 27th, that's tomorrow. The notice has been issued by the Department of Homeland Security through U.S. Customs and Border Protection. The order directed U.S. agencies to respond to threats to the United States by the government of the Russian Federation, with India being targeted for new duties as part of that policy. India, however, has vowed to not back down. On Sunday, speaking at a rally in Ahmedabad, Prime Minister Modi said that India would withstand the pressure and keep increasing its strengths further.
मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है। देशवासियों से भी मैं बार बार आग्रह कर रहा हूं, हमें जीवन के अंदर एक मंत्र बनाना है। हम जो भी खरीदेंगे वो मेड इन इंडिया होगा, स्वदेशी होगा।
Now, the remarks come ahead of U.S. tariffs announced coming into effect apart from 25% tariffs. U.S. had added an additional 25% penalty for India's Russian oil purchases. Washington has accused New Delhi of indirectly funding Moscow's war in Ukraine through these imports. India has rejected the claim, pointing out that Europe and U.S. also continue to buy Russian oil. Over the weekend, Foreign Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar also took a swipe at U.S. over the issue. He mocked the American stance as ironic for a pro-business American administration. He also added that if you don't like Indian oil or refined products, don't buy them. Nobody is forcing you. With the tariff deadline nearing and India putting its foot down, it seems like broad red lines have been drawn in this standoff. A trade deal between Washington and New Delhi seems unlikely, at least for the near future.